Hey, do you want to visit our agency? We just had 20 agency owners flying from all over the country to spend an entire day in our agency. They attended a one-day in-person workshop called the Agency Operations Bootcamp. We have another bootcamp coming up very soon that you're invited to attend. But if you're still not convinced, then watch the highlight reel of the one we just finished.
Rob and Vlad really did a great job of boiling things down in a verbal and written way. You can see it, it's very simple, very easy to follow. And I'm telling you, it's literally everything from almost the day you open your agency to all the mechanisms to grow, well, considering the size of this agency, a huge agency.
They've laid it out in such a simple way. I mean, all the way down to a checklist, and start checking those off, obviously putting in the work and getting it done, but just made it so easy where there's not a whole lot to think about. Just do one at a time and keep implementing more and more as you go along, and eventually you're going to have all those systems in place.
There's a lot of different things to learn about: systems, processes, staffing, hiring, a lot of great content. It's very different to see it in person versus watching it online, so I highly recommend you come and check it out in person.
Morning huddle was just like coming into an amazing culture of everybody just being excited, coming around, the accountability with the group.
I was so impressed by the energy in the room. In my mind, I thought it was going to be more dull, and it was not dull at all. It just pumps the whole team up.
It sets the tone.
It's so cool to see.
Come to this event because I wish I would have started this initially to begin with and have like a really firm baseline and foundation that I could keep building on.
My motto is just ask. When you ask yourself if you want to do the same things over and over, you should be expecting the same results. If you want to have different results, come to the boot camp.
I came to this boot camp 3 months ago back in March, and it was so great that I had to bring back 6 people with me 3 months later. I look forward to bringing back more people. It's an amazing experience. I recommend it for anybody that's thinking about it. Stop thinking about it, just come and do it.